WMBD's frozen. Look at that.
Southeastern Bureau County until
It's been like that for about a minute now.
At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bradford, or 14 miles southwest of Princeton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Power with gusts and nickel-sized hail.
Maybe the power's out at WMBD.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeton, Hennepin, Depew, Tuscaloosa, Bureau Junction, Putnam, Mark, Malden, Milo, Dover, Halloweenville, Providence, Cole Hollow, Lake Thunderbird, Florida, Lone Tree Corners, and Bureau County Fairgrounds. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 54 and 65. Interstate 180 between mile markers 1 and 13.
Doubleheader. Is this for us? It's for us. Our county. Now let's listen in to the radio.
The National Weather
It's back.
Service in Lincoln has issued a notice until 4:45 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bellevue, or near Peoria, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized.
At least it's not 70.
Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
This for us?
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Peoria, Eureka, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Bartonville,
At least it's not us. Huh.
Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Henry, Bellevue, Rome, Washburn, Spring Bay, Sparland, Bayview Gardens, Camp Grove, and Peoria Heights. This includes the following highways.
Wait a minute.
Interstate 474 between mile markers 6 and 7. Interstate 74 between mile markers 87 and 96.
I just realized something here.
Interstate 74 between mile markers 87 and 96.